Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Geeta. Today we'll be solving a question from IBPS PO 2020 question paper. A man invested a sum at a certain rate of interest on simple interest and he got 60% more amount after 8 years. If he invests 9,600 rupees at the same rate of interest on SI, then find the total interest he would get after 4 years. So from the first sentence, the data we have here is a man invested a sum. Sum is the principal, so we don't know what is that. So sum is the principal. So we take it as P and at a certain rate of interest. So again the rate of interest is also not given. So we just take it as R on a simple interest. So simple interest can be found by amount minus principal. And simple interest is equal to, that is amount minus principal equal to P, that is principal times R, rate of interest times T divided by 100. T is the time period. So, and he got 60% more amount after 8 years. So, the amount he got, that is A, equals 60% more, which is 160%. So, 160 by 100 times the principal, which is P. So, we can take it as 160 by 100 times P or just P. So before going to the next set of data, let's first solve this. So which is SI, which is amount minus principal. Therefore amount is, that is 160 by 100 times P minus SI is amount minus principal. So P is, principal is just the P. So I'm taking P equals, P is principal as it is. R is, again we don't know what is, so I'm taking R as it is. Times T is the time period, which is after 8 years. So therefore the time period they gave here is 8 years. So time period, which is P equals 8 years. So substituting in this formula, 8 divided by 100. So now by rearranging the equation, we can find the value of R. So which is 160 by 100. So cross LCM, taking LCM here, so it goes here. So 160, you can also turn it into decimal and find the value. It should also work. Minus 100p divided by 100. And I'm taking this 100 to here, cross multiplication. So 100 comes here, which is equals P into R into 8. So this 100 gets cancelled. 160 minus 100 is 60p, which is equals P times R times 8. So since we are planning to find the R, I'm going to keep the R on one side and take the remaining to the other side. So R on this side. So 60p divided by, this P and 8 comes down here. So P times 8. So P gets cancelled. So 60 by 8 equals 7.5. So rate of interest here is 7.5%. From the next set of data, if we invest 9,600 at the same rate of interest, so invest, that is the principal. So from the second data we have here, principal is 9,600. So same rate of interest. So what of the R we have found here on SI. So then find the total interest you would get after 4 years. So the time period they gave here is 4 years. So we have all the data we need here to find the simple interest. So which is principal P equals 9,600 rupees, and then on S side, so rate of interest is just the same, R equals 7.5%, and the time period T is equals 4 years. So let's just substitute all the values in this SI formula. We can just find the answer. So which means SI equals PRT by 100. So PRT by 100. So which is equals P is 9,600 times R is 7.5 times T is 4 divided by 100. 0 gets cancelled. So when we multiply this, the answer we would get here is 2880 rupees. So the total interest you would get after 4 years is 2880 rupees. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments.